Welcome back again. I'm here again with another video from the chapter Solid State, and in this video we are going to discuss the topic like close packed structure, octahedral void, tetrahedral void, formula of a compound and number of void filled, and at last packing efficiency. As you know that in solid state the constituent particles are closely packed, leaving very little space or minimum vacant space. These constituent particles are build up a three-dimensional structure in three steps. So first we'll discuss packing in one dimension. So there is only one way of arrangement of the particle in one dimension, that is row. Now when they are placed in this way, each constituent particle will be touching the nearest two constituent particle. Now this is what we call coordination number. So coordination number is the number of the nearest neighbor of particle. So for this is touching 2. So the coordination number in 1D dimensional packing is 2. Now there is two ways of packing of the constituent particle in two dimension. In one way, the constituent particle of the second row can be placed exactly below the spares or the constituent particle of the first row. Then third row, in the similar way, third row can be placed exactly below the spares of the second row, and so on. This is one way of packing. Now if you consider one atom and see the coordination number, now this atom is touched by how many atoms? Now this is touching the atom, this is not, this is touching the atom, right? This is not touching the atom, this is touching the atom. So you like chatta le ki gardesa, touch gardesa, or the coordination number here is 4. When you join the centers of this, what you are getting? A square, right? So this type of packing in 2D is called square close packing in 2 dimension. Close packing in 2 dimension. So coordination number here is 4. Now see, this is first row. Let this be denoted by A. The alignment of second row is exactly the same as first row. So again we can denote it by B. Third row again same as second, or fourth row same as third. So this type of packing or arrangement is also called AA type arrangement. The second way of arrangement of the constituent particle in 2D is the second row, the particle of second row can be placed in depression between the two atoms of the first row. This is the depression. We can place the particles of second row in the depression of the first. Similarly, the particle of third row can be placed in depression of the second, and so on. Now consider any one particle. So this one. Now see, so this atom is surrounded at what is the coordination number of this atom or particular particle? Now this particle is touched by this one, touching this one, and again this one, this is touching this one. So this is touching 6 atom, isn't it? So the coordination here is how much? Coordination number in this case is 6. Now if you connect or join the centers of all these neighboring particles, so what you are getting? A hexagon, right? So this is called hexagonal close packing in 2 dimension. Now so let us let us assume this as layer A. Now is the alignment of this layer same? First and second? No. So let this be denoted by B. Now third row, the alignment of third row is similar to that of first. So this is again A, and the alignment of the fourth row is exactly same as that of second. So this is B. So hexagonal close packing in two dimension is also referred as, is said to have AB type arrangement. Coordination number of square close packing in two dimension is 4 and coordination number of hexagonal close packing in two dimension is 6. Now next, packing in 3 dimension. Now first we will discuss from 2-dimensional close packed layer. Okay. So now there, if we place, this is the first layer and this is your square close packed layer. Alignment. Now this is first layer. In this type of packing, the second layer, if the second layer is placed exactly below the spares of the first layer, will get the same alignment. These two will have same alignment, right? And if the third spares of the third layer is aligned exactly below this second layer, again the alignment of this 1 2 3 layer will be same, fourth layer and so on. So in this type of packing, or what will happen, the layer, all the layers will have same type of alignment. So this is again type AA type of arrangement in 3 dimension. And here again, if you connect all the centers of this 1, what you are getting is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 spares you are getting is a cube. Yeah. So this is your square close packing in 3 dimension. Okay, square close packing in 3 dimension, and here you can see they are perfectly aligned in a horizontal manner and horizontally as well as vertically. Well, now let us discuss the coordination number of square close packing in 3 dimension. Well, now here, so let this be first layer, second layer and third layer. Well, so now this second layer ko atom, so it is, what is the coordination of it? Katira cha 1 2 3 and 4. Okay na, katira cha second अब एउटा katira cha 4 वटा छ यही layer मा. Now माथि को layer मा how many are there? So this atom is touching how many? यो atom ले कति जनालाई touch गर्दैछ? यसलाई touch गर्दैछ, यसलाई गरेको छ, गरेको छैन, यसलाई गरेको छ, गरेको छैन. So only 1. भयो. Then next layer, second यो layer मा यो atom ले कतिवटालाई touch गर्दैछ? This atom is touching only this atom, not this 2, all 3. खाली यसलाई मात्र touch गर्दैछ 1 plus 1. So what is the coordination number of square close packing in 3 dimension? It is 1 कति भयो? 6. So this coordination number तिमीहरुले राख्छ. In square close packing in 2 dimension is 4 and in 3 dimension is 6. Now let us discuss packing in 3 dimension from 2-dimensional hexagonal packed layer. So this is exact यो जुन चाहिँ purple ले गरेको छ, so अलिकति this purpled circle. Okay, this is your first layer and second layer. So how we have placed the spares of second layer in depression of the spares between the spares of the first layer. Your first layer by second layer by. Now here, so you need to know, so you will get some vacant space and त्यो vacant space like के भन्छ, so it is very important for you to know. Now only यहाँ के छ purple layer छ र माथि माथि what is there? Orange layer छ. Okay, orange color को spares छ, right? Now यहाँ you just consider these 3, एउटा दुईटा तीनटालाई, okay, consider गर, and above this there is 1 spare, right? So how many spares? This is packing of how many spare? एउटा दुईटा तीनटा, and with this चारटा. Now चारटा ले, so they are packed, like you know the tetrahedral structure, right? So you simple way, this is how you draw the tetrahedral structure for ammonia and all, हैन यसरी ड्रा गरेको हुन्छ. सो यहाँ माथि एउटा हुन्छ र तीनटा तिम्रो मुनि हुन्छ, प्लेनमा हुन्छ. सो तीनटा छ. So this is giving your like it is creating a void where the atoms are present at the corners of tetrahedron. So for that reason जुन चाहिँ void छ, void or space, empty space. So this void we called as tetrahedral void. किन चारटाको प्याकिङले गर्दाखेरि आको हो. भयो. त्यहाँदेखि अर्को लाइक ओ देख्दैछ. नाउ यो ओ कसरी क्रिएट भयो हेर है. सो एउटा दुईटा तीनटा स्पेयर, हैन, फर्स्ट लेयर को. then 1 2 and 3 of second layer. So 3 plus 3 कति जनाले cause गर्दैछ, create गर्दैछ this void 6 ले, and this is what called your octahedral packing. किनभने so these अब यो एउटा दुईटा तीनटा चारटा एउटा प्लेनमा छ, एउटा माथि एउटा मुनि. So तिमीले simple way मा how you used to draw the structure for octahedral, this one माथि एउटा र चारटा एउटा प्लेनमा. So if you view this from this side, भयो यो एउटा छ र चारटा and एउटा मुनि, बुझेको बुझेन. So this is your this void is created by packing of 6 particles lying at octahedral corner. So for this reason this is what called octahedral void. But again this is tetrahedral void, packed result from packing of 4 जना, एउटा दुईटा तीनटा and चारटा void, चारटा particle. ठीक है सर. Now here there are two type of tetrahedral void, दुईटा tetrahedral void छ. एउटालाई green ले मैले गरेको छु, एउटाले black ले गरेको छु. मैले green लाई T1 भनेको छु because this is creating in the first layer. ओके न, यो चाहिँ पर्पल को बीचमा छ and purple वाला is your first layer, हैन. So this tetrahedral void is in first layer र यो black one छ. So this is result from packing of, हैन, this माथि छ, त्यो तीनटा माथिको second layer मा छ. So this is your tetrahedral void created in second layer. Now the way with which the third layer is placed over the second layer will get different type of arrangement. There are two possible way of keeping or placing your third layer above second layer. So and accordingly you will get two type of arrangement. In first way, we can place the particle of third layer above the covering the tetrahedral void of the second layer. Just have a tetrahedral void यहाँ छ. If we place your particle covering this one, then the third layer, then we'll get another type of arrangement. Suppose मैले यो भयो, यसलाई अझै एउटा कभर गरे, हैन, एटमलाई ए कभर गर्ने गरिराख्दाखेरि यहाँ आउँछ कि आउँदैन तिम्रो एटम, भयो. फेरि this is the one, again I am covering this one, second layer को void लाई कभर गर्दैछु, मैले यहाँ प्लेस गर्नु पर्यो एटमलाई. Again if I cover the tetrahedral void of second layer, I have to keep my atom or particle here, हैन. So भनेपछि now see तिम्रो first layer को sphere र third layer को sphere overlap हुँदैछ, or what we can say is alignment of first layer is same, exactly same as that of third layer. भैया first layer र third layer को के छ, arrangement same छ, alignment. So if we denote first layer as A, second layer different cha, so we'll denote it by B. Third layer same cha, we'll denote again it by A. Now again fourth layer place garcha in the same way, then fourth layer timro same huncha with B. So हामीले type of arrangement लाई के भन्छ, we call the type of arrangement as AB type. र packing is your hexagonal packing. Hexagonal close packing in 3 dimension, यसलाई भन्छ हामीले HCP. ठीक है सर. Now let us try to calculate the coordination number. Coordination number कुनै एउटालाई लियौं. So we'll take this into consideration. भयो यो जुन चाहिँ this orange one लाई. Now यसलाई कति जनाले सराउन्ड गरेको छ यो सेकेन्ड लेयर मै. So this one 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 6 वटाले सराउन्ड या टच गर्दैछ. नाउ यसलाई मुनिको फर्स्ट लेयरले कति जनाले टच गर्दैछ, यो जुन चाहिँ पर्टिकुलर पार्टिकललाई 1 then 2 then 3, हैन, पर्पल तीनटाले. So 3 र माथि पनि सेम अलाइनमेन्ट छ. So again माथिको 3 ले मात्रै टच गर्छ. So total atom which is touching this particular atom is equal to 3 plus first layer ले 3, second ये layer ले 6 र माथिको layer ले 3. So total coordination number in HCP is 12. Again, HCP, how you are going to get? So when the tetrahedral void of the second layer is covered by the spares of the third layer, then we'll get HCP arrangement type of packing. And here it is said to have AB type of packing, because first layer alignment of particle of first layer is similar to that of third layer, and second layer similar to that of fourth layer, and the coordination number here is 12. Now the another way by which another way of placing your third layer is by covering all octahedral void of the second layer. Well, अब मैले suppose यहाँ third layer place गरे, no, 1, then again यहाँ place गरे 2, then again I'm covering this octahedral void. Well, now is the alignment of first layer third layer same? No. With B, no. So it is different. Suppose I mean let this be denoted by A, this by B, and this by C. But now when you place the fourth layer covering again the octahedral void, then that time the fourth layer which you will get will have the same alignment with that of A. भन्नुपछि अब fourth लाई हामीले के भन्नु पर्यो? A, because same alignment हुन्छ. Then fifth लाई, now that fifth will have same alignment with that of the second layer, B. So त्यसरी sixth layer will be will have the alignment similar to that of C. So C. So this type of arrangement bhन्छ ABC type of arrangement र, and this is called cubic close packing. Right? जुन चाहिँ packing is your cubic close packing. And again the coordination number. Coordination number same हुन्छ. कसरी भन्दाखेरि if you consider this one हैन, यो again orange one लाई अब अलिकति उयो भयो उयो नक्सा नै ठिकै छ है. So again first layer hexagonal close packing मा है, hexagonal close pack छ भने जुन चाहिँ लेयर छ त्यहाँ त्यही लेयरमा 6 जनाले टच गर्नु सक्छ है. So coordination number 6 जनाले टच गर्छ. नाउ त्यसको मुनिकोले जस्तै यो एटम लाई कति जना मुनि कतिवटाले टच गर्दछ? 1, 2 and 3. माथिकोले नि कतिवटाले टच गर्छ? 3. So total coordination number हुन्छ तिम्रो 12 for cubic close packing. So that means so the cubic close packing तिम्रो जुन चाहिँ empty space छ or जति packing efficiency छ, जति पनि space cover गरेको छ atom ले, so it will be same for your cubic close packing and HCP close packing. So now what we can say, like packing in 2D, so there are two types, right? Square close packing in 2D. In this type of packing, spares of next row is exactly placed below the spares of the previous one. So this is what called AA type pattern. The coordination number 4 हुन्छ. त्यसरी hexagonal मा spares of the next row is placed in depression between the spares of the previous row. Coordination number 6 हुन्छ. यसलाई AB type भन्छ. त्यसरी नै packing हैन, in 3 dimension मा square close packing छ or simple cubic lattice or pyramid, that will give to this one हैन. So now यता के हुन्छ भन्दा spares of the next layer is placed exactly above the or below the spares of the previous layer. So यसलाई AA type pattern पनि भन्दछ. And this the coordination number for this, such packing is 6. Hexagonal मा spares of your third layer covers the tetrahedral void of second layer and so on. So this is what called AB type pattern. And coordination number CN, just the magnesium जिंको हुन्छ, tin graphite को simple cubic lattice हरू. Then cubic close packed मा what happened, the spares of your third layer covers all tetrahedral void. And the coordination number here is 12. The example ma copper silver will have such type of packing. And this is also called ABC type of packing. Now let us discuss octahedral void, tetrahedral void, as we have already discussed. So this octahedral void result from packing of 6 spares or 6 particle located at the corners of the octahedron, right? And again tetrahedral void, it results from packing of 4 particle, constituent particle which are lying at corners of tetrahedron. Yeah. So now what is the coordination number of this void? Void. So what is the coordination number? Now this void is surrounded by how many? So it's a result from packing of 6, right? So it is surrounded by 6 pairs. So coordination number for octahedral void is 6, and similarly for tetrahedral void it is, yes, it is 4. Why? Because it is covered by, the void is covered by 4 spare. Now next, locating tetrahedral octahedral void in cubic close packed pattern. Okay, now in cubic close packed pattern, so octahedral void is located at one body center and at its center. Okay. So what would be the total number of octahedral void then? So here you know, so number of octahedral void. So it's at the body center there can be only one octahedral void at the body center, so 1, and since this void is inside the body, so it will not contribute, or it will not shared by any, so it will contribute whole to a single unit cell, right? Plus now 8 centers. I've already told you that when the atoms are lying at H, so it will shared by 4 unit cell, so each unit cell will get only 1/4 portion of that particular, so the contribution of this void towards each unit cell will be 1/4, and the total number of H present in a cubic structure is 12. So what is the total number of octahedral void then? 1 into 1, 1 plus 3. So total number of octahedral void in one cubic close packed unit cell, and in unit cell of cubic close packed pattern equal to 4. So similarly, let us try to locate tetrahedral void. So this is the unit cell for CCP, so face centered unit cell. Okay, now if we divide this unit cell into subunit cell, then we'll come with 8 subunit cell. भयो र यहाँबाट कुनै एउटा बक्स, मैले यो बक्स जस्तै यो बक्स निकालेर बाहिर निकाले भयो, दिस बक्स. Now this is just one box I've taken out. Now see, these atoms are lying at corners of tetrahedron. भनेपछि this subunit cell मा you'll get one tetrahedral void. Okay na? So this is a packing of 4 particles in a lying at a tetrahedral corner. So here you will get one void, tetrahedral void. So similarly यहाँ एउटा भयो. So how many subunit cell are there? Total 8. भनेपछि you will get एउटा, दुईटा, तीनटा, चारटा, पाँचवटा, 6, 7 and 8 total tetrahedron void in one unit cell of CCP pattern. So what we can say is, in CCP arrangement or pattern, the total number of octahedral void per unit cell is 4, and the total number of tetrahedral void per unit cell is 8. भनेपछि if you see the number of tetrahedral void and octahedral void, the number of tetrahedral void is double the number of octahedral void. And also in FCC, so we have already calculated the number of atoms or particles present in FCC unit cell equal to 4, right? So यता के हुँदैछ, if the number of particle is 4, octahedral void पनि हुन्छ 4 र tetrahedral void हुन्छ 8. भनेपछि if number of particle, if let's say it's the number of particle in per unit cell is n, or for total, so n, so what would be the number of octahedral void? Octahedral void, so तिम्रो कति थियो? 4 थियो. Number of particle octahedral 4 ए भयो, so that means n ए हुन्छ. Then number of tetrahedral void कति हुन्छ? स्पेलिङ अलिकति ल. tetrahedral void double हुन्छ, right? 2n. So what we can conclude is, in CCP structure, suppose the number of atom n प्रेजेन्ट छ भने टोटल नम्बर अफ void octahedral void हुन्छ n हैन र टोटल नम्बर अफ tetravoid जस्ट डबल 2n भनेपछि टोटल नम्बर अफ void कति हुन्छ सो यो दुईटा मात्र void छ सो टोटल इफ यु एड यु विल गेट द हैन यु गेट 3n so the total number of void present in CCP structure is 3n. So this is all for today. So our time chain, so I'll do the rest in next video.